Hello, you guys. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Perfect Harmony. The choreography is Mike D and CHOLY Cole. The music is Soul Sacrifice. The artist is Dombresky, and the dance structure is 4 walls, 2 parts, and the dance begins in 64 counts at the 64 count. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 and giving a shout out to everyone that registered already for the NOLA Southern Experience. If you're interested in attending this wonderful event, you're going to have a great time. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOL.com. And here we go.
Set
Perfect Harmony. If you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, just put the name in and you'll see the choreographer teaching and myself. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.LMIUNOLA.com. That is a workout. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.